Hello Cloud Defenders. Today we are going to dive into domain 11 of the CCSK version 5 exam, that is Incident Response and Resilience. This is the domain that prepares you to face cloud security incidents head on and bounce back stronger. Let's break it all down so that you are ready to respond like a pro. To start with, we will quickly go through the learning objectives of this tutorial. Here is what you will learn in this domain. Understand events, incidents and breaches. Prepare and respond to incidents. Detect and analyze data. Contain, eradicate and recover. And finally, plan for resilience. Section 1. Events, incidents and breaches. Let's start with some definitions. A security event is any observable occurrence in a system. Think a login attempt. An incident is when that event affects confidentiality, integrity or availability, like unauthorized access. A breach is when data is confirmed to be exposed or exfiltrated. You will use an incident response like this: identify, contain, eradicate, recover, learn and improve. And your job? Know how to recognize, escalate and respond appropriately. Section 2. Prepare and respond to incidents. Preparation is everything. In the cloud, your IR plan should include clearly defined roles and responsibilities, establish communication plans, internal and external, maintain logs and event visibility, test incident response with tabletop exercises and simulations. Your goal? Reduce the time between detection and response. Section 3. Detect and analyze data. You can't protect what you can't see. Cloud providers offer native tools like AWS CloudTrail, Azure Monitor, and Google's Cloud Security Operations Suite. Look at logs, metrics, alerts, and anomalies. Use automation and machine learning wherever it is possible. The faster you detect, the faster you respond as well. Section 4. Contain, eradicate, and recover. Once a threat is identified, take action. Contain it quickly, limit the damage. Eradicate the root cause like malware, misconfiguration or unauthorized access. Then recover. Restore systems and monitor for reinfection. Use automated playbooks and runbooks when it is possible to standardize the response. Section 5. Resilience planning. And finally, resilience. In cloud environments, failure is inevitable, but downtime doesn't have to be. Resilience planning includes high availability and failover designs, regular backup and recovery tests, redundancy across zones or regions, chaos engineering to test assumptions. Plan for failure, because resilient systems recover fast and keep your users happy. There you have it, the domain 11 incident response and resilience made simple. If you are preparing for CCSK version 5 exam, this domain is a must know. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe one and drop your questions in the comment section. Until next time, stay secure and stay resilient. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the last chapter of this CCSK version 5 exam, that is related technologies. Stay tuned in for more videos and see you in the next one. Bye.